this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail account language. By changing your Gmail account language, it means the interface communication will be in your new language that you'll have switched to. However, the text or any email that you receive will be in the original language from the center. So to change your language or the interface language on Gmail account, head over to your Google account and then go to your account profile here and click on it. From here, go to manage your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. Head over to personal info here on the sidebar and click on it. From here, you can see your personal information, and among the details is language. So if you go to language here, you can see my current language is English United States. So I wish to change this. Here you can change your preferred language and also other languages here. So I'll go ahead and click on this change language icon here, and then you'll see a list of languages that you can switch to. Go ahead and select your language as you wish from this. So I'll just choose English here and then choose the country, which type of English language you want, maybe UK English or United States English. Just choose that and then click on save, and your language will be replaced here immediately. You can also go ahead and add another language, as you can see here, that you can easily translate to. So if you go to add other language here, you'll also have an option to choose from the list here. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on save to keep your changes. So that's how you can change your language on Gmail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.